Ronda Veritas Report.
Ikasaput taong Medical Safety Week ipinagdiriwang ng Food and Drug Administration Philippines. Alamin natin ang buong detalye mula kay Nolan Ariola.
Maraming salamat mga kapanalig. Ipinagdiriwang ang Medicine Safety Week 2025 mula November 3 hanggang 9 na may temang We Can All Help Make Medicine Safer. Para ito na ang kaligtasan ng gamot ay nagsisimula sa bawat isa at ang pag-uulat ng side effects ay mahalaga upang mapanatili itong ligtas gamitin. Hinahangad din ng kampanya na hikayatin ang mga pasyente at healthcare professionals na mag-report ng side effects at palawakin ang kamalayan sa national reporting systems. Kaugnay nito naging panauhin sa ginanap na press conference ng Philippine Information Agency sa lungsod ng Quezon, si Attorney K. Ann Magundayo Borlado, ang spokesperson ng Food and Drug Administration Philippines na nagbahagi ng kaalaman tungkol sa Medicine Safety Week.
On behalf of Director General Attorney Paulo Esteston, it is my honor to be here today as we celebrate the 10th anniversary of Med Safety Week. This is a global campaign dedicated to promoting the safe and responsible use of medicines. This year's campaign carries a simple yet a powerful message. Everyone has a role to play in medicine safety. Through this initiative, we encourage every patient, healthcare professional, and member of the public to take an active part in keeping medicine safe by reporting suspected side effects. Each report, no matter how small it may seem, helps protect others and contributes to a safer, more responsive health system.
Yan ang tinig na Attorney Borlado. Mga kapanalig, lagyang paalala ng Simbahang Katolika ay isaalang-alang ang kapakanan at kaligtasan ng kalusugan ninuman at saan man. Para sa Veritas 846, ang radyo ng Simbahan, ako inyong kapanalig, Nolan Ariola, sumainyo ang katotohanan.
Ronda Veritas Report.
Ako'y Katolikong nakikiisa into the church in need.
ACN, ako'y Katolikong nakikiisa. Aid to the Church in Need, Philippines.
Aksyon ACN, ako'y Katolikong nakikiisa.